Hello all, this is Karthik from RajCloud Technologies. I welcome you all to today's Snowflake DBT and ADF new batch demo session. Thanks for joining the meeting. Let me start with our social media handles. Okay, then I'll just give you some brief about the program, and I will be your mentor for next 2 months. Okay, so for the career guidance, resume building. Okay, so for everything, like I will be available for you, and our Snowflake trainer will be taking the technical part. Okay, yes. So let me start with our YouTube channel. If you just search for RajCloud Technologies YouTube, you will find out our channel. Okay, so this is our channel. Raj Informatica Real-Time Hands-on Job-Based Training. This is our channel. If you can see here, so we have almost 36,100 plus subscribers here, and we have uploaded like more than 484 plus videos. Okay, if you just go to the video section, you can find out the videos related to generative AI, Power BI, cybersecurity, AWS and DevOps. Okay, Azure data engineering, AWS data engineering, artificial intelligence and machine learning, okay, and many other things as well. Okay, so just visit our channel once, so that you will be able to see like what and all courses that we are offering here, okay, and you can just get the brief knowledge about each and every course as well. Okay, so you can just visit our channel once. If you like our content, like the videos, comment on them, and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Okay, I just shared the channel link over Zoom chat, so that like with that link you can subscribe to our channel. Okay, so just like you can search for Raj Informatica YouTube channel also in YouTube. Okay, this is how you can just subscribe to our channel. And we have the Instagram page as well. That is with the name Raj Informatica, and we have 3,000 plus followers here. And you can see here, this is our page, Instagram handle, like where we will be posting all our updates, job updates mainly. Like we will be posting about the job openings and the new batches starting, and the complete latest information from RajCloud Technologies will be posted here. You can check out here, there is a job openings page as well. Okay, so that like you will get the complete information from our end. Okay, so just visit Instagram page as well and follow our page, so that you will get the complete information when we start a new batch, when there is a job opening is available. Okay, so for every information you can expect from here. Got it? Yes. Let me start with our website now. So this is our website. We have a website called razinformatica.com. This is the website. This is our home screen. Okay, this is our home screen. You can see here. Yeah, this is our home screen. If you just scroll down, a bit, you can see here the software trainings we are offering right now. We are offering generative AI professional certification training, Informatica data quality and cloud data quality, AWS data engineering, Azure data engineering and Databricks, Snowflake in the combination of DBT and ADF, Informatica Power Center, Informatica Cloud IaaS IDMC, artificial intelligence and machine learning, cyber security and ethical hacking, Microsoft Power BI data analyst program, GCP professional certification training, SAP S4 HANA and FICO, Python for full stack, Python for data science, Python for AI and ChatGPT, Salesforce and AWS and DevOps. These are few of our trainings right now, and very soon we will be starting with Fabric data engineering, and we are also going to start with SAP CPI as well. So these two things also we are about to start. So keep browsing our website, so that you will be able to get the complete information whenever we start any new batches. And just above this section, there is just another section called upcoming free live sessions. Okay, in these upcoming free live sessions, you can get the Zoom link for every free session from RajCloud Technologies. Okay, whatever the free classes listed in RajCloud Technologies, that links we will be providing here in our homepage, so that like you can just enroll for that program. You can see here on the Snowflake also, like we have mentioned today, 30th September at 8 p.m. we have Snowflake. 1st of October at 6 p.m. we have Azure data engineering. 1st of October at 8 p.m. like we have Informatica Cloud ISS IDMC. 3rd of October at 6 p.m. we have Microsoft Power BI. Okay, so this is how like we will be giving you about our future free live classes as well. Okay, if you just click on join now, you will be getting you will be asked for your name, mobile number. Sorry, you will be asked for your name, mobile number, and email ID. If you just click on submit and get link, you will get the Zoom link to your mail ID. I hope like many people in today's session joined by filling this form. Okay, if I'm not wrong, yes. So now I have just given you the complete information about our website, and you can see here like we have many interview questions uploaded related to Snowflake. Also, we uploaded like many interview questions here, and the materials are available. Internship programs are also available for freshers. Okay, the people who passed out in the year 2025 and who is going to pass out in the year 2026. For all these people, we have internship programs as well. Okay, yes. Now just go to the courses section. If you go to the courses section, you can find out all our trainings that what we are providing right now. If you can just click on Snowflake training, okay, this is the page where you are going to get the complete information about the Snowflake. Okay, the new batch is starting from 30th of September, that is from today, and this batch number is batch 15. Okay, so this is our new batch number 15 actually. Okay, this is the page. If you just scroll down a bit here, you are able to see what are the technologies that we are going to cover here. Snowflake, DBT, ADF, Oracle, and real-time projects, interview questions, everything will be covering here. About 70 hours of training, 90 minutes live session every day. Okay, so all these things that you can see the course, unique features, the job opportunities. Okay, so how the job opportunities for freshers, for experienced candidate, and the salary ranges, the average salary ranges. Neelkant, right? Yes, Neelkant, can you please join again? Yeah, my team will take care, no issues. Done. So if you just scroll down here, you can see you can work as like what are the job roles that you can apply for? What are the job roles that you can apply for once after completion of this training? Sorry for that. And you can see here the upcoming in-demand jobs as well. Okay, so upcoming in-demand jobs, everything you can see here, and the course curriculum as well. You can check out the complete information about the course curriculum here. And by the end of the program, what you are going to get. Okay, so by the end of the program, what you are going to get, you can see here about the group discount as well. So if you have the group of people, so you can get the max discounts as well. And you can see the course price, about your instructor specialities, everything you can see. Sorry for that. Yes, you can see here how we have got the reviews from our previous batch students as well. You can just check out here. Okay, if you just click on this, it will take you to our Google reviews. It will take to our Google reviews as well. Give me a moment. Okay, these are the reviews you can see. 1 second, let me show you very clearly. If you just search for RAS Informatica or RAS Cloud Technologies, okay, you can just see here, right side you can see, we have almost like a 1445 Google reviews are there. If you just go to the review section here, view all Google reviews, okay, just click on newest here. Okay, so for every 3 to 4 reviews, you'll get one Snowflake review. For every 3 to 4 like reviews, you'll get one Snowflake review. You can see here. So our instructor name is Sai Sri Garu. Okay, Sai Sri Garu is our instructor. You can see here. This is a review about Sai Sri. Okay, just scroll down. This is a review about Sai Sri. Okay, you just scroll down. You can see here. This is the review about Snowflake. Okay, just scroll down. This is also a review about Snowflake. Okay, so this is someone who, like I think Sindhu, yeah, Sindhu, she got job, okay, with 4 years of experience. She's having current LPA is 4 LPA, so 3 years of experience. current LPA is 4 LPA and she got 10 LPA. Okay, she got 10 LPA. Okay, if you can just scroll down, you can see. So this is about AIML. Just give me a second. This is app. Okay, if you just scroll down like this, for every 3 to 4 reviews, you can find out the Snowflake review here. Okay, this is a review about Sai Sri. Got it? So you can find out the complete. You can find out the complete like reviews about our programs and everything, and then you can plan to join as well. Okay. So before handovering the session to our trainer, before handovering session to our trainer, I just like want to take a moment and collect your name and WhatsApp numbers so that I can help you to join in our WhatsApp group, and I'll be also helping you. I'll be also helping you to get today's session recording as well. So please drop your name and WhatsApp number over Zoom chat. Please drop your name and WhatsApp number over Zoom chat so that we will be adding you to the WhatsApp group as well. So where there are almost like 900 plus people, so who joined in our previous batch, who is currently working on Snowflake right now, and there will be many professionals available in this group. Okay, so who is already working right now, so that like you can get tips and you can get any referrals are also available. They will be posting there. Okay, you can get that information as well, and about our new batches, everything you can get it. So there is one request from my end. If you are from a different country, please drop the WhatsApp number with your country code. If you are from a different country, so if you are out of India, please drop your WhatsApp number with country code. Thank you, Hare Krishna Garu, for dropping with the country code. Thank you so much. So I request everyone to just take, Ambika, please don't annotate my screen. Yes. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, we'll just take 2 minutes time. We'll just take 2 minutes time, and let's post all your mobile numbers here so that I'll add you before the session itself. Okay. I'll add you before completion of the session only. I have just started the timer now. So I have set the timer for 2 minutes. Please drop your name and WhatsApp number as well so that I can add you to the WhatsApp group, and I'll share you the today's session recording as well. Both I'll share you. Okay. Yeah. And there is some small surprise also for everyone. So just stay connected till end of the session. You are going to get some special discounts as well. Okay. You're going to get some special discounts as well. Just stay connected till end of the session. Just stay connected till end of the session. There is some special offer available for everyone. Okay. So just stay connected. I hope still people are posting the numbers. Okay. So if you are still posting the numbers, you can keep posting, not a problem. The chat will be open till end of the session, and you're going to get the unmute access as well. Don't worry about it. Just stay connected till end of the session so that you'll get the unmute access as well. Okay. So like if you people have not posted your name and WhatsApp number, please post it. And now I'm handovering the session to our Sai Sri Garu. Please stay connected till end of the session to get the special discounts as well. Okay. Yes, thank you so much for that. If you have any like if you want to drop out in between, you just like give me a message on this number so that I'll help you with the special discounts and everything to your WhatsApp number as well. Okay, you can just give me a WhatsApp. This is our WhatsApp and calling number as well. 8105296858. I'll share you here. Raj Cloud Technologies. Okay, I just dropped in the Zoom chat as well. Okay, you can just like WhatsApp me there. So if someone want to drop in between, so you can just like give me a message here so that you won't miss the like offer details. Got it? I hope everyone will be there till end of the program. Thank you so much. Sai Sri, over to you, please.
Hi everyone, good evening. Thanks for joining in session. So before going to my topic, I will go with my profile. So this is Sai Sri from RajCloud Technology. I'm real-time working person. Already I'm working in IT with the same technology, with the same tech stack actually, same to same. What I'm going to teach you, all are I have I have experience in real-time projects. With the same experience, I am going with the training classes also, and I have overall 11 years of experience in IT only on trainings, pure Snowflake training. Before Snowflake also have training experience, but only on Snowflake trainings. I have 5+ experience in trainings. From lockdown onwards, I'm going with the pure Snowflake classes. So that's the reason I have 5+ experience in only on training, Snowflake trainings. So apart from this, because of my real-time experience, before Snowflake, I actually my background is big data. I think it's a very familiar to many people. So big data background actually, everyone knows that it's a good technology. Still, why I moved means because of cloud changed my life. That makes help me to keep different place in my career. So big data too. Then I shifted to Snowflake and continuously I'm working with Snowflake projects at the same time, trainings also. And I have corporate experience also. I give trainings to corporate people also in lockdown time. So all those experience helped me to train well in right now coming up batches. And if you see already you got my reviews right as usual, all you can get from website. I don't want to discuss about that. So my skills, what I have in my profile exactly, what I'm going to use in market to get a offer from my profile, same to same, the same everything, every topic, not one or two, end to end I'm going to cover in your trainings. That is the reason you can trust me to get the new opportunity in Snowflake, because I have I mean my in mainly in market I'm saying, as per right now in the current market my profile is the uh, good flow of the tech stack, means whatever the technology is expecting from clients, that all is included in my profile. That's the reason. So it comes more offers and I can handle with the different types of projects also. So okay, that's fine. So coming to next part, I know many of you will have few doubts. Hey, I need coding or not. I need to strong in SQL. I want Python to learn, or else I'm purely non-IT backgrounds. I don't know anything. Still, I can learn or not. So this kind of doubts you'll have, or else I don't have a job itself. I don't have any experience in any job. I didn't work till now. This is the first time I'm trying to enter into job field. This kind of doubts, and I have too much experience, like 14 years. 12 years, 10+ years, still I am okay to take this opportunity to learn. This is suitable to my profile or not. This kind of common questions I will hear from the students. Okay, so just a quick information I'll provide on that. It makes you to get the interest on the coming up topics also. Is who is coming from non-IT, any background, apart from experience, we can keep aside. Remaining part, I'm saying, mainly if you want to learn Snowflake, you want to get a job in Snowflake, projects, you want to learn SQL. It's actually language, not coding. Python is a coding. That's a pure different language. Python language is different, so SQL language is different. SQL is very very easy comparing to Python. So I'm expecting only SQL to learn. If you don't know anything in SQL, also no problem. Already Institute team is providing SQL classes for you. Okay, starting Karthik will give at the end, he will give information about that. They will provide classes to you. First, if you complete that class, you will get one clarity on SQL. Later on, you will have minimum 2 months classes we are going to run. So in that 2 months, every day if you keep half an hour practice on new queries, that's enough. End of our training, you will be pro in SQL. So this is not blocker for you to jump into Snowflake. Okay. Saishri, without knowing SQL, can I handle Snowflake classes? 200% you can handle. I'm giving guarantee for that. You can question me if you are not able also. I'm ready to answer because SQL is important. That's a language. We are learning the not SQL queries in our Snowflake classes. SQL queries anywhere you can learn by yourself also. We're not focusing on queries. We're focusing on the concepts of Snowflake. So that is the reason. If you complete RajCloud technology recordings, 200% you can follow my classes without any doubt. No blockers for you. But to improve your skills on SQL, practice is required. Okay, so we are going to cover Snowflake. Okay, so SQL is clear for you. You have one source to learn. Now Snowflake. So Snowflake, we are talking about Snowflake in my classes. You are talking about AWS. You're talking about you'll talk about. I mean, you learn about Azure and you learn about DBT. This is my areas where I have to take care from my side to train you. Okay. So Sai said this many I need to learn means actually technique will be there. See, some exams, competitive exams also, some people will go with a technique. They will have some strategy. Completely we are learning end-to-end textbook is not enough, right? Strategies and what required, what is the recent trend, that all we have to follow. Same like that in IT also we have to follow the some tricks and some trends what is happening in the market. I'm already into the IT, same field, same technologies, right? I know the trend. So my career also initially started with Snowflake only. Very long back story, I'm saying, not now. So now market is not accepting anyone only with Snowflake. That is the reason slowly AWS added, after that Azure added, after that DBT added. So like this is the like add-ons to Snowflake. Mainly we are working with the Snowflake. Okay, so who have a non-IT background, who have a IT, don't job. I mean, you don't have any job experience. Everyone can understand Snowflake. Why SaiSri is it easy means 100% easy. You go with any cloud technologies. It may be Azure DevOps. I mean, generally I'm saying I'm not pointing to any technology. Generally I'm saying you'll go with the cloud providers. You can choose. You can choose cloud technologies. Other anything. If I talk about one technology, you don't take in the wrong direction. General, I'm saying you compare with any cloud providers, cloud where data warehouses, cloud technologies. Comparing to all these technologies, Snowflake is straightforward. When we have pack of concepts, we have to learn that concepts with the syntaxes simple, and we have to understand in which situation we have to apply that concept. This is enough to handle the Snowflake requirements or Snowflake job. That is the reason Snowflake is not tough for you, but what you are learning, the way of learning and the way of course designing is important. That already I done from scratch level. It may be scratch level of admin part. Admin we are not going to point actually. We're not focusing on admin jobs mainly. Why also I will explain you later. That's not right choice for India who is working in India mainly. So we are focusing on development still. I'm covering little bit admin part which is required for developer knowledge. So I'm covering admin part. I'll cover the developer completely development part. I will cover. If you are focusing on these concepts, done with Snowflake. No need to worry about your Snowflake concepts only. Okay. After that, AWS. Then Sai already Snowflake is a cloud only, right? Why you are coming means Snowflake is a cloud data warehouse. Okay. Cloud data warehouse. This is the data warehouse concept. But AWS is a cloud provider. Okay. AWS is cloud provider. Even Azure also cloud provider. Okay. These two are cloud providers. Cloud provider is different platform. Cloud data warehouse is different platform. Okay. So this is, I will explain you why we are choosing this combination. This is a data build tool. This is for transformations. Okay. So who is coming from non-IT also why you can choose or any combination of people why you can pick the course easily means I am focusing on the basics to high level from all these areas. Okay, how I started my journey in this technology, same like that I'm going to teach you. So whatever experience I took from this many years in Snowflake, I'm giving everything in 2 months. That's it. That is the reason I'm thinking like everyone is new to me. If you are pro in SQL, if you are pro in other cloud technologies also, I'm not worrying about okay few people knows that so I can jump with advanced. Not like that. I feel like everyone is having zero knowledge. Everyone has zero knowledge, and I'll start my classes. That is the reason who is coming who with career gap play. Some people will have because of the children, ladies will have career gap, right? Those people also got the job because of my training with the scratch level of explanation. So leave that step. You want IT job, you want to stabilize your career in cloud means first leave that question. I will able to do, I am eligible to do or not. Leave that question. Believe me, try with this course, your issue will be resolved. You'll get the job. Maybe person will get within a month, within 2 weeks. Some people will get after within 2 months. So a time gap will be there based on the practice and hard work. But finally, you'll get the job. Okay. So, and one more thing. Now, IT job is pressure for everyone. This is a fact. I don't want to say everyone knows that. People, clients are saying upgrade. I want upgrade part people, kind of technologies people only. Even companies also looking for upgrade people only. So, what is the benefit to learn the Snowflake then? So I said this many people are asking upgrade part. So I am coming from this technology, this technology. What benefit I can say? How many years I can stay here? Minimum 5 years, maximum 10 years you can stay. I'm already learning. I'm doing this journey from long time. Still 10 years, I don't want to look back with any technology. I'll follow this flow only. Maybe one or two in future may add 4 to 5 years after later on I have to think. But as of now, this is the best part. So minimum 5 years, maximum 10 years, you can happily lead with your career with this Snowflake. Nobody are saying no jobs in Snowflake. If you observe some technologies, there is no calls only. But Snowflake still running in the good level only. We have calls. We are getting calls. Blend 60, 360. For example, I'm saying. So many companies calls my old colleague. Old the students will say I didn't remember all the company name. Maximum every company entity data Wipro. If you go with the TCS, okay, any company you touch, you'll have Snowflake directly or indirectly. At least if they don't have their own Snowflake resources, they will have vendor support from the Snowflake. So it's already added into all the companies. All the projects are involved with Snowflake combination. Okay, recently one student, the evening batch, which is going to complete, that batch person said they're also migrating Redshift to Snowflake. So it's a Redshift is also cloud data warehouse which is coming from AWS. That also migration is happening. So maximum migration projects completed. Now completely Snowflake occupied the market with wherever data warehouse concepts is required. So you don't get any Sai Sri, today we don't have market for Snowflake. That day only I didn't see till now. In the hard situations, lockdown time to till now, I didn't face any issues with the opportunities. So any IT employee upgrade means not learning different technology or new technology. The technology should be available in the market in a top level. That is Snowflake right now. Data science is the side stream. Data science is different. Snowflake is different. I'm talking about cloud technology, cloud data warehouse technology. You're talking about analytics. That's a different phase. Completely after Snowflake, only data science will come. Okay. So without a data warehouse concept or without data warehouse technologies, data science won't come into the picture. First of all, data engineer will come into the picture. Then after our data engineer work, data science will come into the picture. That is the reason don't think data science is top. Data science phase is different, data engineer phase is different. We're data engineers, data analyst or cloud engineers. We are coming under that platform. So data warehouse is very, very, very important market for every company. But which data warehouse? Cloud. In that, Snowflake is standing in the best position. Okay, you compare with Redshift, you compare with any cloud provider. As per my knowledge, Snowflake is in the best position right now in the market. Okay, so that is the reason I'm saying learning the new trend technology doesn't mean new technology means upgrade means just not learning any technology. Okay, I upgraded my profile means wrong. We have to learn as per the market trend, as per the future trend. In that, Snowflake is the best. So your choice is best. But how much you will learn, how much hard work you are doing depends on that. Your job will come, I mean, you can get offers very quickly based on that. Okay, I don't want to take more than this time. So that's the reason Snowflake is the best choice for anyone. If newcomers or existing people or who have experience, 14 or 13, some experienced people will be there. I know tricks how to play to get the mainly opportunities. I cannot explain now. It's not right time. If you have problem, I will. I mean, if you have that issues, I will talk with you individually. But generally, experienced people also we have some tricks to get the offers. No need to worry on that. Okay, so now IT market is not bad, not good, but if we want to be safe, means we should be in the cloud platform. Our career should be in the safe zone. Today, if I lost my job, means tomorrow I should get job, means we should be in the cloud platform. Already, I am working with all the cloud. No, all are the cloud only, no traditional technologies. That is the reason I'm saying this flow will be working for everyone. Okay, so leave about that part. Then Snowflake. What is Snowflake exactly? Just data warehouse. Actually, all are everyone won't have all the basic knowledge, right? Let me go with the basics only. Actually, what happens in the market means, guys, you go with any cloud, any online shopping. It may be Mintra or it may be Amazon or anything, guys. Any online e-commerce, let us take. Every business will connect their data will be added into the database. So first data will be added into database. First of all, you can take your banking data also. They will add to database. Data always captured in the database. Okay. They won't keep directly in the cloud. First database will come into the picture. So it is OLTP, online transaction process. What is a database? Online transaction process. After that, right now you have business data in your database. For example, sales is happening nowadays. Now I think Dasra sales are going on. So sales, Diwali, Dasra festivals, festive sales are going on. So if you go with the database, it is capturing the customers' orders, returns, whatever it may be, all replacement, all things are going on. Finally, shopping is going on a huge level because of their offers that we are capturing. But how to analyze that data? Tomorrow I want to change my offers. How to analyze that? Today offer is good to go, or I want to modify my offer. Which brand is selling more? Which brand is selling less? How to push those brands also? How to add the offers to that? How to this all combination? How you will understand with the analysis, right? Data is them is not enough. Analysis is very important. That is happening with the data warehouse. This is not new concept actually. Very old concept. Warehouse database combination is very old concept. But now we are working with the cloud technologies. Previously it's a traditional. That is the only difference we have. Okay, so real-time data will capture with OLTP databases that will move to the connected to data warehouse technology, and it is providing the analytics. Based on this, I can say I can understand my sales. I can do according to the sales changes based on the reports. Okay, so they on top of this data science will come to apply the strategies. That is a different process. We are not coming into under data science, so don't worry about that. Don't think about that. It's a different zone. So that's the reason data warehouse is important for every business nowadays. From lockdown, the Snowflake also got a good life, a good opportunity. This technology became very trend. A lot of trend is created in the lockdown time because at the lockdown it's a small company or a small scale industry or a large scale industry. It's not me important. Every industry came to Snowflake online. It may be Instagram sales, it may be YouTube sales, Facebook, whatever may be. Everything, even trainings, everything turned into online. Online means we are going with a mainly online business. Means our website will be there, our sales, everything through online. Offline is less, online is more. Nowadays, total world is working on online, right? So automatically data is happening. A lot of data we are getting through the customers because our business generate data is generating a lot and lot and lot. who is taking the data and who is utilizing the data properly, they can understand the negatives and positives on their data business. According to that, they can modify their business requirements or strategies. That all strategies done by the data warehouse. So data OLTP is first phase. OLAP makes us to understand our business uh, strategy changes. Okay, this all are important, guys. That is the reason data warehouse is a old concept but important concept in the market. Okay, now previously we have so lot of traditional technologies. Not only Snowflake, we have so lot of traditional like Informatica I can take, or anything Teradata I can take. Like there's so many different data warehouses are already available in the market. It's not new for us warehouse concept wise. But what is the problem there? What we are facing means many sources systems we cannot connect. There will be some limited source systems, like that issues we have. Wherever the many data sources systems are stored, solve issues, data connections issues we have, that is resolved with the Snow Cloud. Now Snowflake is able to connect with 100 plus source systems. 100 plus, I'm saying. You will go with a web application, it is ready to connect. You are going with the connectors, it is ready to connect. You're going with any kind of databases, it have ready. Third party tools ready to connect. Multiple ways are there to connect with Snowflake. 100 plus sources, I said. If you have local files also, it is ready to load the data. So all the combination, it is ready. That's the reason. So semi-structured data. Traditional we have semi-structured data is not much supportive, but in Snowflake, XML, JSON, Parquet, Avro, ORC, this all semi-structured and CSV structured. These both are supported. Unstructured is not supported, like videos, audios is not supported, but remaining formats are supported. Not only that, if you want to share the data in traditional, it's not easy way to share. It is a multiple steps we have to follow. But Snowflake, it have a data sharing concept to share the data. So like this, whatever we are missing in Snowflake, other traditional method, that we replaced in the Snowflake. Not only that, if you want to run one query, for example, guys, I will explain you again in our real-time classes. No need to worry. Generally, if you want to run any SQL queries, you need some support clusters, backend mission support is required. And traditional what is to do means I will take 10 means 10 only. Out of 10, suppose suddenly I want to increase 11 means it's not possible because we have limited that. But in Snowflake, not like that. Scale up and scale down. When requirements comes, it will increase. If requirements not there, automatically will decrease. Auto adjustment. So like this, not one or two, so many. Even doing what we say, we don't have any hardware setup on it. How you'll open your Gmail? Almost same like that. Web interface is enough to handle the Snowflake account. No need of, I don't want to check your system configuration. I don't want to check anything on the hardware side. I don't want to install anything. Just I will log in into my Snowflake account with same like Gmail ID. How I will sign up the Gmail account? Same like that I will sign up the Snowflake account. So setup cost also reduced. Hardware setup is not there means automatically software admin, I mean, who is coming from admin team, admin support also will reduce. So we are not reducing hardware setup only, we are reducing the resources of hardware people, I mean, not require software, right? At one or two admin is more than enough generally. So like this, many ways it is supporting. Wherever the drawbacks is there, all are replaced by Snowflake. That is the reason. You can ask me, Sai Sri, Snowflake is not only one technology, right? We have Redshift, we have other technologies also. Yes, I will agree. We have. I will agree. Why they are not coming into the picture? Why it's not highlighted? Like Snowflake is highlighted a lot, right? Why are not Redshift? Why not Teradata? Why not Oracle? Like this, if I go, lot of comparison is there. Mainly, Snowflake have three different layers, guys. Okay, Snowflake architecture only different way they added. One is like a cloud service layer, very different, very easy and different way they added, which maintain. For example, maintenance purpose. Okay, cloud service layer for maintenance. Okay, storage purpose, Storage. Storage layer is there to store the data. Dedicated layers they added actually for running the queries, virtual warehouse. Simple to run the queries, SQL queries. So like this, everywhere it have its own layer. These three layers are running our entire Snowflake account. Simple. Okay, so the design is very individually. Every layer have its own individual way to handle the work. Then why Redshift can you highlight means there are some drawbacks. Compute and storage is bundled in Redshift, but Snowflake is not like it's an individual separate the connections is there. Semi-structured data maintenance of the virtual warehouse, scale up, scale down like this. Lot of services are good in the Snowflake compared to Redshift. The main difference is Snowflake can connect with Azure, Big AWS, and GCP also, all other three cloud providers, but Redshift cannot, only AWS because it's suitable. It's coming the Redshift tech. I mean software. Sorry, Redshift is available in AWS itself, so AWS only will be supported. But Snowflake is not like that. Multiple cloud providers it will support. If you go with the Teradata, also same. Okay, so it is also it's linked to compute layer and storage, but Snowflake is separate. Semi-structured data is tough here. Snowflake is easy. Even if you want to do backup, Teradata, if anyone is working, they will know the pain of this. If you want to do the backup also, it's a big task for them. But Snowflake is not big task. Time travel concept is there. Within seconds, you will get the data backup. Your historical data will get backup as a backup data. I mean, you can retrieve that historical data without touching the current data within seconds. Okay, so like this, multiple concepts we have, guys, in Snowflake. Whatever, I think like they designed this software with other technologies drawback they observed and they designed. I think so. Maximum issues we resolved here. Maximum. I cannot say 100%. Every technology will have one or two issues, but maximum they designed in a comfort zone. That is the reason. Easy maintenance, and sorry. Easy maintenance. To share the data also we have data share concept. To get the data backup we have time travel. To shed to schedule the jobs we have task concept. Example I'm saying. Okay, like this. Not to work with multiple queries we have store proc. To mask the data we have masking policies. If I say like this, so many are there. To mask the I mean column level masking, row level means row access policy. Like this, you have so many. For continuous data process, you have Snowpipe. So like this, every what we will expect from generally what we will expect from data warehouse to do, almost everything they added with the concepts. That is the reason you have to learn the concept. Simple. You no need to write the scratch DDL, scratch DML not required. Maximum if you are able to understand the concept, your concept is enough to complete your task. Okay, that is the reason, guys. Snowflake is good in the market. Mainly, every customer, client, or developers who is working with the technology, everyone will look at one thing only. Is it interface is easy to handle? We are able to achieve our requirements and easy to maintenance all this. Yes, all the phases they are satisfied. All the phases. If not, why people are using this? Amazon is not small company, right? Amazon is not small company. They have e-commerce side, they have cloud providers, lot of business they have. They also working with Snowflake. You can understand now how power it is. Okay. So this is the reason why we are going. Not only this, Sai Sri, you are saying I don't want to install anything. How I can decide the versions? Actually, in Snowflake, we don't have versions concept, editions concept we have. Completely editions. Okay, this is the edition concept, guys. This edition, what it will do means it will give basic standard edition is the basic level, basic edition actually. If you don't want standard, for example, I mean, I want some advanced concept for the e-commerce. I mean, huge large scale industries means enterprise. All the standard will be included plus extra metallized views, data sharing, extra concepts will be added, advanced concept. Sai Sri, my business is okay, it's a huge, okay, fine, but sensitive data I want to handle. If you want security already providing in all the editions, but sensitive data means some more security. Obviously, right? Sensitive means we will also deal with little bit more more care we will take. Like that, whatever the enterprise edition is, everything will be included, but business critical also will be included here. Means extra. Like this, they are going with the addition basis, guys. I'll give answers to all your questions. If you have any questions, I'll give time to talk also. Please wait for some time. So completely they're giving entire additions to based on the business you can choose. Maximum to maximum. This is having basics, right? Advanced we are missing, right? So large scale industry will go with enterprise. So business sensitive data related people will go with data who is dealing with sensitive data, they will go with business. These two are popular additions in our real time environments. Okay, and we have no size. I want separate, I don't want to mingle with anyone, I want everything separate. Means we have VPS also. All everything will be added here also, but additional. They have a dedicated database. I mean, virtual servers. All this will be little bit dedicated. That will be different. Okay. So maximum, I observe these two mainly in our real time work. People will choose this only. Okay. So like this, that's the reason we don't want to worry about what we'll say upgrades, versions, version 1, version 2, no versions, additions. That's it. Any add-on have to do, they will do in this addition only. They don't want to go with any versions method. Getting my point? So, okay, fine. Till here the story is okay. But why AWS and Azure? Again, you are coming, why AWS and Azure? Not only Azure, even you want means you can go with GCP also, but very less requirements we are seeing. This is also cloud provider only. Why we are using, why I involved in my course this part means Azure or AWS, anything. Okay, people are using as a source. Means how it will happen means AWS will have data, it will load it into Snowflake, like this combination. Here also anything. Here Azure data will load it into Snowflake by using ADF. Here also trend. What is the trend happening? I'm explaining that only. So this is the thing. What is exactly they're following. That's the reason generally our source system will connect with AWS storage layer. That data files will be loaded into AWS storage layer that we are pushing into Snowflake. Maybe different popular concept is Snowpipe. Using Snowpipe, we will do it generally. You other combination means here also you can use Snowpipe, no problem. But trend method, if I go with the market trend, ADF is the best option right now. How projects are following with ADF. Okay, so like that GCP also. Then that's the reason I'm using this combination because of this helps us to get more opportunities, guys. It's advanced concepts for us and it's good to go. And then okay, Saishri, you are doing okay for source purpose, you are going with this too. Then what about DBT? Guys, without DBT also we have projects. I'm only saying pure Snowflake without DBT involvement we have projects. With the DBT also we have projects. After Snowflake, your profile should be highlighted in the market means a little bit more. See, you are ninth rank. If you keep, ninth position. If you want to go a little bit 10th position, means DBT, add on. Or else should not say like that, I think so. Yeah, you are in the second position in the market. If you want to jump into first position, DBT will be add on to you. Why DBT size Snowflake is working means yes, 100% Snowflake is working for all the transformations, no doubt in that. But deployment we are missing, code management for huge projects, it's very tough to handle with the pure Snowflake. In place of the pure Snowflake, DBT will give more comfort zone. That is the reason Snowflake with DBT, we have good market outside. Frankly speaking, my current job I got because of DBT only with the expected package. Already I have good package. They give extra, expected package percentage like almost I can say not 50%, less than 50, more than 30 I can say. That much package they give because of DBT. DBT very less people are there. Now little bit people are getting awareness, but when I joined, it's very less people. So DBT makes our profile little bit powerful comparing to pure Snowflake and Azure or AWS combination. So mainly for huge projects, for code management, for all this DBT will come into the picture. That is the reason DBT is very popular with this Snowflake. You check with any technology, Snowflake DBT combination is a good combination. DBT won't go with all other technologies. It can connect with Databricks, it can connect with Spark, it can connect with BigQuery. I'll agree with that. But currently, huge combination, which combination is going well with Snowflake with DBT? That is the reason, guys. Mainly code management. Projects are handling easily the huge environment of code. Huge projects with multiple code levels, deployment mainly. So that is the reason. So no need to worry about the DBT. I am there to take care from scratch level. Account creation to account setup and everything I will take care. This is also pure cloud only. Full form of DBT is data bull tool. Data build tool. Actually, I know some people will say, SaiSri DBT cloud you are saying, but we have DBT core also. Don't touch core. Core is different. That combination is not working well in the market. If client is expecting, actually we are working with UK and US people. They are from different countries. Their thought process will be like a little bit advanced only. So they never talk much about the cost. They'll talk about the future implementation, future benefits. In that they will try to go end to end with the cloud only, automation and cloud. So in that case DBT they will take. DBT core is not right option. So we have to think like a who is providing projects means UK and US countries only, right? For example, I'm saying in that way, if we think everything they are expecting in cloud, that is the reason this combination is hit combination in Snowflake. Previously Snowflake with Matillion with Snowflake, Python with Snowflake, that not happened much. This combination not ran much in market. Within 2 years, everything projects are reduced automatically. I am there when Matillion is in the market. I am there in market actually. Okay, already when Matillion came into the market, I'm already working in Snowflake. Matillion and DBT with less time only DBT. First Matillion, then after DBT. I learned DBT. I didn't take interest because that's not comfort environment. Clients also not. People are not a comfort with the combination. Within short time, it went out. Right now, also projects is there 1 or 2. Very less, very less. But if you go to DBT, the future. That is the reason we are going with the DBT also. Okay, I'll take little bit a small break. You can ask the questions right now, guys. Later on, I'll go with the other questions. Other stuff, yeah. You have unmute access. 1 minute, I'll provide. Yeah. I'm giving unmute access. Please, one by one, you can ask. Yeah. Hello. Are you able to unmute, guys? No questions? I'm not able to hear you. Anyone can say hello at least. Are you able to unmute? Okay, I think I lost.
Hello.
Yeah, yeah.
Hello.
hi,
Did you
I
hear
can,
me?
I can.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay. Okay, no questions from me.
Okay. Ambika, yeah, thank you, Ambika.
I
Please,
have
yeah.
a question here, Sai
Yeah,
Sri.
tell me, Hari. Hari, tell me, Hari Krishna.
DBT and ADF both are used for transformations, a kind of, or else and
Thank you.
something like orchestration tools or something.
Yeah. Thanks for your question. First of all, I missed this point. Yeah, actually, ADF is Azure Data Factory, guys. Actual full form of ADF. ADF also ADF is also one option for us to implement the transformations. Okay, actually it is there. Previously, pure ADF projects are there in market. Pure ADF without Snowflake, all this very long back story. I'm saying ADF is there, but now ADF is not used for transformation. If you have Snowflake combination, people are not using ADF for transformation, only for loading purpose. They will they will take the files from blob to Snowflake using ADF. Only copy activity. Transformations they are not doing. Once the entire raw data is available in Snowflake, then DBT will come into the transformations. Or if it is Snowflake only, means Snowflake will do transformation. Snowflake or DBT. ADF won't perform any transformations in real time. That is the pipelines what we have in market. But
Yeah,
ADF
I
is
got
eligible for transformation, Snowflake is eligible, DBT is eligible. Okay, but Snowflake have its own database plus data warehouse, both combination. Snowflake is a cloud database and data warehouse. It can load the data, it can store that. It can store the data, it can perform the transformations on top of it. But DBT is not like that. Only transformations. It cannot it cannot store the data. Only transformations. It cannot apply actually. That is the reason dependency is compulsory for, some other Redshift level or Snowflake, somewhere it have to integrate. Okay. That's the reason why DBT is not working single way. With a single solo performance, it is not giving.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So
Sai
ADF
Sri.
is covered as part of this course.
Load, yeah, as a source, I'm covering the ADF. Yeah, so yes, I'm covering ADF, but not for development purpose. Loading purpose, I'm covering. Exactly how I
Okay.
done my project, same I'm covering here. Exactly. Get metadata, for loop activities, copy activities, delete activities. That all as usual. What I implemented, same pipelines.
Thank you.
Yeah, Sai Sri. So
Yeah,
like
tell.
you are referring to Merlin, right? So what is Merlin and like where it is exactly used in
Matillion. Yeah,
Matillion?
Matillion. Yeah,
Matillion.
Matillion. Actually, some people know. That's the reason I said Matillion. How to come is like this actually. The combination will be like this. Even Fivetran also. I'm writing like this. Before Snowflake, they used to have.
Like what it is exactly used for,
It
like
is also like takes the ETL means
okay,
extract,
transform that.
transform, and load into Snowflake.
Yeah, got it. Yeah.
Okay. Now it's not there in market. Few people know still.
So, hi, SaiSri, Siddharth here.
Yeah,
So, I just
Siddharth.
wanted to know, like, will you be covering a pipeline from AWS to Snowflake? How will be loading? From S3 to Snowflake and Azure to
Uh,
all these three combinations. Like,
this only I'm covering. Exactly. That's the reason I written. This is one pipeline. For example,
yeah.
I will cover. This is also one.
Okay.
After Snowflake, you are using DBT or not, that's a different case. But this is the exact package. After DBT
Okay.
is our project based, we will choose generally, but this is important. GCP
Okay,
I'm not
and
covering. Why you can ask guys? GCP why I'm not choosing means, see, I can keep. I worked with GCP because I have 5 projects. More than 5, I will keep in my resume only on Snowflake. Minimum 5 I will keep. And 5 is there. Almost my profile. General I'm saying. But you won't keep 5 projects. You will keep 2 projects. You say I worked with Azure, I worked with AWS, I worked with GCP. Means who will believe you? You're keeping 2.5 or 3.5 years experience maximum. If you have 10 years experience, I'll prefer go with 3.5 only. In this gap, nobody will believe you worked with the 2 combinations. That is the reason, to avoid the confusion for everyone, AWS Azure is popular combination. First in market, very starting time of Snowflake, actual combination is this. Very sweet and popular combination. If maximum all Snowflake developers who is working from long time, they will be like a common topic for them. Later on, from 2 years back onwards, this topic came into the market more high level. More opportunity generally. So one project I will make you to keep AWS combination. One project I will make you to keep Azure combination. I am there to explain you. No need to worry about pipeline flow. All I will explain you. So that makes you get more opportunity, because if they want Azure also you have knowledge, AWS also you'll have knowledge. So don't go with GCP. It's less combination, less opportunities combination wise.
Okay, that sounds good. So, yeah, thanks for that.
Hi, Jayshree. This is Bala.
Yeah, Bala. Tell.
So, is there any difference between Informatica Cloud and Snowflake?
Okay, I should not judge other technologies. That's not right. But still, I'm saying, as per my what information I got from students or outside, ISCS also they have very, very, very less opportunities in market. Maybe comparing to, if I cannot go deep level because hands-on experience says different more. Comparing to ISCS, that's a drag and drop, all that options, right? If we go with a huge project in the code level management, Snowflake and DBT is the comfort zone. I felt like that actually.
Okay.
I cannot go. I should not come on. On that.
No, just we want to understand what is the current
Yeah.
situation, right? So
Current situation is, I'm speaking. I didn't see. My students only will give information. They will come from Informatica background. They used to share with me. I kept a resume. I didn't get 1 or 2 calls also from 2 months like that. They used to share with me. Exact reason I also asked them because they already have experience, right? Why they know more than us actually? They're on the same technology. They said market is not coming with Informatica projects. They are shifting to Snowflake more. That information.
Hi, SaiSri. This is
Actually,
Gandhi.
finally, who will decide which technology should take this client, right?
yeah, right.
The US people will decide what to do. Just we are executors. Yeah. One more person, one lady, Kiran or someone.
Hi, SaiSri. This is Garvita.
Garvita. Yeah.
So, actually, I have been working mostly on IICS previously. Okay. So now, like when I'm looking for the opportunity, so what I notice is, mainly, I'm getting the combination as IICS, Snowflake, DBT, AWS, and ADF this way. All the
So my
combinations
pipeline only, yeah?
actually.
This pipeline almost.
Along with IICS, people need all these things like Snowflake, AWS, Azure. This is what I'm noticing. Nobody's preferring just IICS or something like that.
Then you have to say why you are not getting opportunities.
Yeah, that's the thing actually.
Okay, I'll say migration. Why means migration. That pipeline you are seeing means Informatica is also warehouse, Snowflake is also warehouse. Both can store the data, both can do generally. But now, as per your observation, those projects they are migrating Informatica to Snowflake. Maybe after migration completed, they will remove completely Informatica and they will stick to Snowflake. This is the upgrade they are doing. That is the reason who have Informatica knowledge. For example, at least 5 people in the team, at least 1 or 2 people have Informatica knowledge. Migration will be easy, right?
Right.
Remaining Snowflake team 3 people is that that's a new going on process will depend on Snowflake, right? They can handle. So 2 people or 1 people they will take with Informatica knowledge. Remaining people will go with Snowflake. Like your profile is fit actually for both migration projects generally.
Yeah.
Many people are saying this, the combination migration still happening there or here. In lockdown, lot of migrations happened. 2022 migrations, a lot migrations happened. So many.
Hi, Kumar, this side.
Yeah, hi, Kumar.
Actually, I'm having almost 10 plus years of experience in IT, especially in DevOps. But the problem is that whenever I change the project, right, they are asking us to learn new things. Like in one project, the requirement is different. Like they are asking us to learn Terraform and yeah, especially Terraform, Lambda functions, all these things. So I'm not unable to sustain in the projects in Accenture. So I quit the job there. So I try to learn new technology like Snowflake. So here, when we go with Snowflake, do we need to learn AWS, Azure also, services also we need to learn?
No, I won't say that. I won't say that we have to learn cloud providers because cloud providers means already you are coming from DevOps means I think Azure DevOps or AWS DevOps, your background. Am I right? Generally.
AWS, yeah.
AWS, okay, AWS DevOps. That is one combination. If you go with the AWS DevOps generally, if you know a little bit knowledge on AWS services, right? We have DynamoDB. I'm not so good with the services name. Generally, I'm saying. But Redshift we have like this CloudTrail, S3 bucket, like that. Multiple services are there. So many services are there. That all we are not right person to learn. AWS developers will be there. AWS dedicated. They will learn all this. Our job is always data will be in S3 storage. How to pick that data? That is our job. It's a kind of source system.
Whatever the live data that is collected in the AWS servers that we are going to pull that
Load
towards
in the Snowflake. Yeah. So how we are connecting this part is important for us. We will go here only. Nobody question you why you didn't learn a Redshift, why you didn't learn other services in Snowflake generally. If they are questioning like that, means they're wrong. I mean, they don't know first of all.
And CI/CD pipeline also required along with Snowflake. Do we need to connect these two or not required? CI/CD pipeline, I'm asking.
Sorry. CI/CD pipelines, you are talking about AWS combination CI/CD, right? Generally. That all not required. This is just source for us. What happened? I mean, okay, I will give this background also. Many people will get doubt. Why SaiSri clients are storing files in S3 bucket or blob? They already have source system, their own databases, right? Why is required? Means there will be some differences project to project, some differences we can find. MySQL server is my database. My previous project case, I'm saying it's a huge project only. MySQL server is my exact source, actual source. Server database, no company will give access to database directly to any developer. Only MySQL server people only will have access. What they are doing means they used to push the data into blob storage. From blob storage, we are the I mean, as a Snowflake developer, Snowflake team is owner. If we missed any data also, we have to request to the SQL server. We don't have any authority to push by ourselves. Means they're not making direct connection source to Snowflake. They have connectors, they have JDBC connections, like the different ways are there. Still, companies are saying, let us keep all the files in S3 bucket or blob anywhere, and from there, second level means we Snowflake developers, they will handle. If we delete, if we corrupted, anything happen, it won't affect to the business. Because every 6 months or 1 year they will clean their storage. No need to worry. They are very like good to save the cost. They have their own plan, so they will clean 6 months or 3 months or 1 year. Some phases will be there according to the clean. But they are not allowing us to touch the database. To avoid that, all to make their sure like database is safe, everything is safe. No other third party is touching that. Now company's trend is to the cloud providers. I mean, cloud storage system. That's it. Cloud is not doing anything. For we will become like a owner for this storage system, right? We can do anything on top of that. Flexible to develop.
Yeah, thank you. Got it.
So that's the reason, guys. Don't think you will learn Azure. I also am not Azure developer. I'm not AWS developer also. What we required, that only I'm going to help you to learn. In projects, in interviews also, they will never judge you why you didn't learn AWS all services. Just say, if they ask you cloud providers, why you not learned all the services, means I'm Snowflake developer, I'm not a cloud providers developer. Simple. No problem in that. Yeah. And I'm not doing any experiments on you, guys. Everything is my real-time experience I'm keeping here. Simple.
Yeah, hi,
Hello.
SaiSri.
Yeah, hi.
Actually, can AI lead this Snowflake? Can AI?
AI. Okay.
Yeah.
AI and
I think
ML.
we have, I think we have a Cortex in Snowflake, right? So I think that is.
Obviously. It came almost 2 years back, something. It came. It is there in market. I mean, in Snowflake is also trying to include that option, but it's not our part. Snowpark also, I think you should hear Snowpark also, right? CA and ML. Here only it is there. Actually, they are trying to include this one in this platform only, but we are not responsible for AI and ML models development. We are not responsible. Because
in the future, it may add, right?
Databricks, generally I'm saying, generally, for example, Databricks, if you see, in Databricks, a platform, data engineer can work and data science people also can work. Both the team can connect with one platform and they can work. One data engineer will go with the data sets. Data science people use the data sets and they'll create model generally. Like that, Snowflake also trying to implement this platform also to make everything in one place.
So every role can work with
machine learning people also can sit here, right? They can try it directly. It's still under progress only. I think in market it's not released in high level. Still like trial and error methods. That's the reason you will see Python worksheets also. No need to worry on Python worksheets because for their requirement they are Python worksheets. They added Python also, notebooks. This all for that purpose.
I think Streamlights also we have.
Yeah, recently they released this also. Still, it's not added in the, projects we didn't get any implementation on top of it.
It is not completely 100% there, or like.
Yeah, in real time, still we are not using. Recently, only Streamlight also. Now we are hearing this little bit. We have to wait for some implementation.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
Because genuinely, if I speak, I know Streamlights, and if I give fake, not fake, some examples I will refer from somewhere, and if I teach you, whenever you are answering in interviews, you have to justify, right? The people knows that Streamlight is in the market or not. We'll go in the wrong direction. So don't do any experiments like that.
Okay. So Snowflake plus DBT is enough, right, for us?
Enough. First, if you stabilized in this year 2025, almost 10, 26 you are able to stabilize me. 27, if anything added also, with the workflow you will learn. I learned everything through workflow only.
Yeah.
Same thing.
So, yeah, I also like working with the Snowflake. I'm a SQL Server, so I have 4 years of experience. So that's why I just wanted to switch to Snowflake. So
okay, you are perfect. You don't want to worry with SQL, right? So just these few things you have to learn. Other also trying to ask the question. Sorry, please ask.
Yeah, hello.
Hello.
This is Sriram here. Hello.
Yeah,
Are you able to hear me?
Sriram. Yeah, I can hear you, Sriram.
Yeah, I just have only 3 questions actually.
Okay.
My first question is, for other programming languages like Java or Python, you have code review concept as well as your unit testing concept, right?
Yeah.
So in Snowflake, do we have any automated tools for doing code review, or do we need to do manually actually?
Okay, pure Snowflake is manual process little bit. We actually code review if you want to do Git repository. Git.
No.
Am I right?
No, I understand.
Generally.
No, Git is only for pushing your code, right? I'm asking purely from code review actually.
No, code review specific option we don't have in Snowflake actually. Dedicated option interface we don't have. Generally, what we are doing right now means code review is common for everywhere. First, we will in Snowflake, pure Snowflake means we will develop the dev data pointing, and we will develop everything in dev data. Once it has happened, different ways the people are following. Some people will go with the final output. Who is higher than us? Someone will be there, right, to review our work. They will review directly, and they will, based on the output, they will say, okay, you can proceed with UAT and prod. That is one way. But pure Snowflake means developers will save Confluence pages, their code documents also will be there, right? They will make the documents once the implementation is completed. Once the what will say final review is completed. Who reviewed, they are okay with this final output means they will save the code and they will add the same code in UAT and prod actually. That is the method right now we are following. Okay. No DBT if you have, for example, you already, if you know Git is straightforward to you, we are adding Git branches to that. So once I will develop the code in dev branch, that will be reviewed by one person. If he is okay, as usual deployment. This is the 2 ways we are doing.
No, I understand.
But what you asked, this specific code review is there, right? That option is not available in Snowflake GUI right now.
Okay. And my second question. Okay, and my second question is, if you look at Java or Python, right, where we also have an option to expose as an API. Okay, but in Snowflake, do we have an option to expose as an API actually?
We have to go through the connector. No, like that expose we don't have. I understood. You are saying we will write the Python code and we will expose like API, am I right?
Exactly. For example, Python we have Django. Okay.
Yeah.
Or Java you have REST API, whatever it is, right?
Something,
so,
yeah. Snowflake will support the REST API. I worked with that small piece of work I done with the combination of XML files actually. Web application we connected, it will give XML data. We pushed into Snowflake using REST API. Like that we can try.
No, I understand, but
what you are saying, Python code will provide this, this APIs, right? That is not there. That is
Because
not our requirement.
we always can get the data like through Snowpipe, pointing to your REST API and then get the real time data actually. But
That
the
is there, na?
concept here is the concept. What I'm trying to ask you is that from Snowflake, can we expose as an API actually to the end user?
Okay. So it is the input. Actually, it is becoming as input.
Exactly.
Okay. No, this combination. No. I have
Okay.
to do R&D, but actually I didn't see requirements also on this. Actually.
Okay. My third question is, if you look at Git or especially when I'm talking about CI/CD, okay,
Yes.
where if you look at any Java or Python code, we can push it, we can check in the code and assuming that if I'm using Jira, okay, I can push the code to Jira and then through Jira I can connect to Jenkins and then there'll be a deployment process. Okay. But like that, do we have any kind of a support chain available for Snowflake such that the code can be deployed into production rather, manually doing it or through, procedure actually?
Yeah. Actually, Snowflake itself, if you observe one repository they're adding, still we are not using in real time. Have to wait. This way they added actually. If you observe here, Git repository. Still, I didn't touch in the real time, so I didn't add at this point only. So this is under progress. Maybe in future we can expect. Right now we are doing bit manual work to push to a one.
I understand, but this is something to do with the handshake with the Git. For example, you
Again.
take
Jenkins, that all we are not using.
Exactly. You take any editor like Eclipse or
Yeah.
PyCharm.
Eclipse.
You have an option to handshake with your Git. Okay. But my question is purely on the CI/CD. For example, I develop the code, I push it, automatically it gets integrated to your build, and then your testing. They also have the scripts. Probably your automation scripts, okay? Because
yes.
I think Selenium, they can use it for API as well as for UI as well as for DB validation. Okay.
Yes.
So automatically, the code gets, factored, and then, all your validation, QA, and everything gets automatically, validated, and then it is automatically being pushed to production, actually. Okay. Because you take any traditional, languages like Python or Java, we can do it through Git. Through Git and Jenkins, and then
Jenkins,
through.
yes.
So my question here is, this way, when I'm pushing my code to production, that is from dev branch to build branch to production branch. Okay.
Yeah.
So, do I have an option for automatically pushing the or can I create the pipeline? Because does it support Jenkins? That's my question.
No.
Also the CI/CD.
Actually, that no. Only Git I'm saying right now. This Jenkins and that no, I didn't see any project requirements. Also, I didn't get that kind of.
Oh, but
Jenkins we won't hear only.
Obviously, then most of the companies will be using CI/CD, right? CI/CD is very, very common in across all the programming languages, right?
No, that is also CI/CD. Okay, CI/CD somewhere I'm seeing in the requirements, at least in JD. Jenkins is compulsory, no. Completely no.
Fine. I understand.
Okay. We can take some third party, some CI/CD. There's a chance to have at least few projects.
Because if I would have been a DevOps engineer, probably I need to create a YAML where I have to integrate it, right? Between your dev branch and your build branch to production, right? So does it support actually? That's my first question.
Jenkins, CI/CD, okay, it will support, no doubt in that. But Jenkins, maximum, no, I can say.
Okay.
If it supports this many days, market won't be calm. Like they will push us to learn only first of all. No talk only.
Because I have seen many companies still using the procedure where they are pushing the code through procedure actually.
Yes, StoreProc is the popular option in pure Snowflake projects. Pure Snowflake, still people are going with StoreProcs only.
Okay. Okay.
Because we don't have this deployment, all this, right? Store procedure, whatever the transformations, everything that's keeping in the one store process, and end-to-end they're completing. Just store proc execution won't take much time. If we do means automatically everywhere we can do, right? So it's a straight, easy method. DBT means because of Git people are. You said right, we can test it and we can push into the production like end-to-end process automatic. That is also not there. Git only will push and this testing people will work as usual, like how Snowflake
No,
people
because
will.
if you look at any source data, right, like any raw
Mm-hmm.
data,
Yes,
okay,
yes.
Snowflake will be coming as a last consumer
Option.
actually, like
Yeah, obviously.
consumer. Like in middle you have the DBT where it'll transform the data and then push it to Snowflake. Okay.
Yes,
Like,
you are right.
I think in DBT we can even create models such that it gets automated and then pushed to Snowflake.
That is true.
Snowflake is the end user or the consumer who process and then push it to your analytics layer actually.
Yeah, it's a kind of back end. I mean, end user only we can say, but before analytics. Yes,
Exactly.
I'll agree with that.
That's what.
Exactly, I will agree with you.
Yeah, because you cannot push your raw data or your transform data directly to analytics. Ideally speaking, it has to pass only through Snowflake, where your your data transformations and other
Obviously.
stuff.
Conformed layer schema we will create generally. It may be naming convention will be different. Conformed layer schema, for example, there all the tables will be listed, which is going to connected by the Tableau or Power BI or the even data science people also. That is the final step. In middle, what we are doing, how we are achieving the results, nobody will take care. Generally, others. Only Snowflake team will work on the in middle layers. Remaining all source team will go with the raw data. Target will go with conformed layer. Remaining all our junk thing. Anything we can do, but results should get in a proper way.
Okay. And my last question is like, do we have any competitor for Snowflake actually in the market?
People will say Redshift only generally. Right now, Redshift they are saying actually Redshift is also not competitor because migrations are happening Redshift to Snowflake only. Why? Because mainly cost management one I am seeing. Clients are satisfied with the cost and also resources. If you see so many places performance issues we are getting because what my observation is Snowflake, sorry, not on Snowflake generally, storage layer and virtual warehouse layer means storage data and execution queries. These two layers, I mean, those softwares created with the combination means both together will work actually. In Snowflake, Snowflake also used to work like that in very long back. Then they modified the storage, so Snowflake architecture. From that day onwards, it came into the market in high level because it is performance-wise good with the Snowflake only comparing to other technology. That small differences I am seeing from many comparisons. Competitor means Redshift, I will say, but it's not really competitor right now.
Okay, not sure if Databricks comes into the picture.
Databricks we cannot compare with Snowflake because Databricks is purely Spark combination. I'm also background of that, right? When I coming to Snowflake at that time, Databricks and Snowflake both are in market. Exactly, they are same market actually, but both got good place in the market. Why they are not competitors means Databricks is purely Python platform. They created with Python combination. I mean, development, they kept Python as a main agenda and they created the platform with the combination of Python. But Snowflake purely SQL platform. So, different agenda. Who is working with the pure data science projects will be there, right? Some different projects. They will prefer if they're preferring Spark concept and machine learning, generally I'm saying, if these two combinations is there, I will agree Databricks is the right platform. I will only agree with that.
So Databricks supports even your unstructured
Sriram, I'm
data.
really sorry to interrupt you.
SQL also.
Sai Sri, 1 second, please.
Oh, yeah, please go with your arena. Yeah, please.
1 second, Sriram and Sai Sri garu, sorry to interrupt. Many people are ready to ask the questions actually. So Sriram, like if you want to connect to trainer one-to-one, I can help you with that so that like you can discuss more on this. So just like you can connect after the session.
No problem.
So that
Thanks,
like I can, yeah, done.
Thanks.
Okay,
Yeah,
Sriram,
Others,
yes.
thank you.
Any
Thanks for
questions?
cooperation. Yes, please go.
Sai Sri.
Sorry, yeah, tell me. Sorry
Yes,
to hold all you.
Yes, yes, I want to know after completing this course, so which certification
completing this course? Like, which certification we will able to crack, or we should go for which certification?
Okay. Frankly speaking, if you are from India, don't focus on certification, focus on job.
Oh.
Certification is not important right now in the market, in Indian market, I'm saying. I'm not talking about other countries. If you're from India, forget about certification, but my course 100% will be helpful for Snow Pro course certification. Maximum I will cover, but still you have to prepare a little bit because it's a multiple choice. But right now, it's not right time to focus on certification. If you want after getting job, Snow Pro course certification, you can try after job.
Is there any certification specifically for DBT?
No, nobody are asking like that. No certification.
Okay.
Certification is not required.
Okay. After completing this course, so at what experience level we can apply for the jobs?
Here, Akash, I cannot say everyone will have same in face. Person to person, I'll give different direction based on their overall experience, your current experience, current package, so direction will be different. But minimum 5 years you have overall experience, minimum 5 means minimum 2.2, 2.3 I will ask you to keep. You have more than 5 years, okay, 10 years like that, I will ask you to keep 3.3, 3.4. That's enough. That is enough right now.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Lenovo, I don't know your name. You mentioned Lenovo. Just what's your question? Hello, you're unmute actually.
Lenovo is my name, Manas.
Okay, Manas, tell me.
Nothing, no question. Actually, I'm in data version ETL informatica and data background.
Okay.
Currently, I'm working, having 12 plus years experience. I want to learn Snowflake because in the market, in my company also so many projects in Snowflake. So I want to learn. That's the thing.
Okay, your profile is suitable. If you want outside market or internally, okay, you can continue with that company if you get opportunity in Snowflake.
Yes,
if not outside also, I will help you how to prepare your resume. Okay.
No, currently I'm working TCS.
Oh, TCS. Okay. Okay.
Because TCS is now layoff.
I know that. I don't want to talk more on that. Yes, I know about that. So once you completed the course, based on your profile debug, I will come explain.
Yes, the company also want futurity, but employee also want to futurity.
Sorry?
Company also saying that Nobel data is future ready for 2% employee reduce. So employee also want future ready for the new technology.
Oh, yeah. Right.
I'm very good in SQL and Teradata, but and data sourcing, Informatica, ISS, and IDMs.
Yeah, your profile is good to go. You can follow this course. No doubt in that.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, MM, I don't know your name. Sorry, MM. What's your question?
Yeah. Sorry, one last question. As part of this course, do you have a course structure or syllabus, or what is covered
if
as
you
part
go
of
to RajCloud Technology, you can click on Snowflake, enter the criteria curriculum, you will get structure.
Okay, thank you.
Please drop me your WhatsApp number. I'll share you the course curriculum right away.
Okay.
I already have dropped my number. Okay, yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. I'll do that.
Madam, how many classes is completed this course?
2 months I can say, because Saturday, Sunday we don't have class. If required, I will take maximum. I won't take, but if required, I will take 1 or 2 classes on Saturday. Minimum, you mention like 2 months, okay?
2 months only.
Sorry? Everything, entire course. So I don't worry about how many classes I'm taking. All my course content should complete. I'll take care like that. 45 days to minimum 45 days I'm expecting.
Okay, every day 1.5 hours.
Yeah, 1 to 1.5 hour. Depends on the topic, 1 to 1.5 hour. Minimum 1 hour, maximum 1.5 hour. Between that, we will wind up. It's an evening session, 6:30 class. This is the comment information. If you want more, any additional details, admin will give. Apart from that, any questions you can ask, guys.
Python is necessary for the Snowflake?
No, it's optional. If you have your own personal interest, I have time a lot to use with, then learn some basics. But without Python only, our entire course will be completed.
We have ample of jobs, correct? Without Python, without a
I am
Python.
working without Python from long time. I don't know Python. It's an add-on, just add-on. By seeing JDs, don't think Sai Sri, your course is different, but their job description is different. Job description is not right option to choose the course actually, because the HRs is taking ChatGPT help and someone help and they are doing missing the JD. If you sit in interviews, you will select in that message what JD they shared that messy. Still, you will select in requirement because the requirement is different, JD is different. Okay, don't compare JD with my curriculum. What I am doing is 100% suitable to your career. Right now, that's a big headache. JDs are preparing very wrong way. I can explain you that in future, but still, okay. What
Sai
is my
Sugar,
profile?
just
Same I am using, guys. Okay, yeah, you can take from
Sai
here.
Sugar, just I'll take 2 minutes.
Yeah, you.
Hi everyone, I'm back here. Karthik from RajCloud Technologies. As I said, there is some special offers and everything is available for you. I just wanna help you with this complete information. I'll just take you hardly 2 minutes. So whoever have questions yet, please stay here. You can ask the questions after my explanation. Okay. So as I said, there is some special offer is available from our end. You can just check out here. So you can see here. I can so can everyone see my screen as well, right? You can see my screen, right?
Yes.
Yeah, thanks for the confirmation. So here we have given the offer that is the Dasra offer is going on right now. So get up to 25% off. Okay, get up to 25% off on all our trainings. Okay, so it is up to 25% discount is available. Okay, so today slot 1 is running right now. Slot 1 is running right now. That means so we are offering 25%, the highest discount that we are offering from last 5 years. In last 5 years, we never offered any discount. Okay, I mean 25% discount we never offered actually. You can see here, if you just go to our Instagram profile, whenever we offer anything, we'll be posting like this. You can see we have in the Ganesh Project also, we have only 15% offer. Okay, so if you just scroll down, you can see here on Independence Day, we have given 20% discount. This is the highest discount we have given earlier days. But right now, today it is a 25% discount. 25% discount is available. Whoever is going to enroll today. Okay, so I'm clearly mentioning here. So whoever is going to enroll today, they are going to pay only 11,250 rupees. Okay, as a course fee, and your discount is 25% discount. If you just go to the website here, you can see here morning and evening batches. You can click on pay and enroll now. You can click on pay and enroll now. Anyone is fine. Even if you want to switch later also, you can switch. Okay, if you just scroll down, here, you can see here 25% and 20% discounts. So right now 25% is going on from 22nd, I think 22nd or 23rd. Sorry, it is from 23rd, I think. From 23rd of September, we enabled this discount to you. Okay, so if you just scroll down, you can see here the course price is 14,999. Okay, so after applying the coupon September 25th, so you are going to pay only 11,249. This is our course price. This is only today. Till today we have given the offer for 25%, and from tomorrow, as the month is changing to October, okay, you are going to get this discount 20% from tomorrow to till 3rd, so till the festival ends. So we will be enabling this 20% discount. But someone who want to register today and who already did registrations, I think today we have received a very good registrations as well. Okay, so whoever already registered, so you already got this discount of 25%. Okay, so whoever want to enroll today, you can just plan for your payment here. So if you are from an international, see, we accept all the payment modes. We accept UPI, bank transfer, net banking. Okay, so credit card, debit card, Remitly, international transfer, everything we accept. If you want to pay from the website, here you can see in the payment mode, there are two options here. Okay, one is Indian credit or debit cards, another one is international credit or debit cards. If you want to pay from Indian bank accounts, you can just select this and you can pay. UPI is also there, QR code, everything will be available here. Okay, so if you want to make the payment from out of Indian bank accounts, so please use your card, your debit card or credit card. You can go for the payment here and you can complete it. Okay, from our end, we are offering the job assistance as well. We will provide the resume, interview questions, and we will help you with where the opportunities are available right now, how to apply for these opportunities. Okay, so if you want to see, even right now we are building something, so where the people don't want to go to all the portals like Naukri, Monster, LinkedIn, Indeed, Glassdoor. Okay, there are many platforms are there, right? So you just create the profile once, and if there is any opportunity posted in these platforms, we are going to shortlist for you. Okay, so if you want to apply for the Snowflake developer job role, so we are going to cover almost 99% skill set there. If there is any 1% chance of like changing the skill set or something else, the people are confusing. So to upload, they confuse it to like we need to apply for this job opportunity or not. These confusions they are getting right now. That is the reason why what we are doing, we are going to shortlist the opportunities for you. The trainers are going to do the they are going to like search for the opportunities for 2 years, for 3 years, for 5 years, for freshers. Okay, they are going to search the opportunities and they are going to share with us. So we are going to keep all these job opportunities in one page. This is razinformatica.com's job listings page. Okay, so still it is we are just like developing this page. It is not yet out, but I'm just like showing you this. So this is how we are going to provide you the opportunities as well from our end. Okay, so you can just go to the all topics related here and you can see these are the courses that we are offering. Okay, you can just select Snowflake as you are learning Snowflake here. You can just select Snowflake. Okay, so the Snowflake opportunities will appear here. Just a minute. Yeah, so this is Snowflake data engineer job role. Okay, so in this way, see, this is 2 to 6 years experience people can apply for this opportunity. Okay, so job type full time, job location it is not from here in the south. Okay, it is in the north. Okay, just like we are just like right now like uploading all the things. So it will take some time to build the page. Mostly like in a 1 week we'll be completing these things before your batch ending. So mostly like every one of our previous batch people also going to utilize these things. So this is how we are going to help you for the job assistance as well. Okay, so education, any graduate, any postgraduate can apply for this. Okay, so this is how we are going to help you for the complete things. Got it? If you still have any questions, let me know. I can help you with that. Okay, if you still have any questions related to the content, schedule, offer, or something else, just let me know so that I can help you with that. A second, there is. Please mute yourself.
Is that payment is one time or can we do it 2 payments?
So yeah, Shiva Prasad, yeah, I'll just like answer your question. So how long this course, please tell me. Okay, this course duration is 2 months. This course duration is 2 months, weekly 5 days, Saturday and Sunday is holiday. Okay, and the class timings are evening 6:30 p.m. to 8 p.m. IST. This is the evening batch we are going to start right now. If you just go to the website here, if you just go to the courses page, if you just go to the courses page here, you can just click on Snowflake. You can just click on Snowflake. Okay, so here you can see. Here you can see the morning and evening batches. The morning batch timings are 8 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. IST and the evening batch timings are 6:30 p.m. to 8 p.m. IST. Right now we are starting with the evening batch only. Okay, the morning batch is already started. If someone want to join the morning batch also, yes, the slots are open. You can go for the previous batch and the next batch like openings are also like next batch enrollments are also started. And someone asked about the installment payment, right? Yes, you can go with the installment also. Okay, so if you want to know more about the installment payment, you can just contact us here on this number 8105296858. We will be available from morning 8 a.m. to evening 11 p.m. night 11 p.m. we will be available for you, so no need to worry about that. So each and every video will be recorded, don't worry about it, and we'll share it with you. I'll just show you like how to sign up with our website and everything. You can see here, you can click on sign up with Google in the right side top corner. Okay, always use sign in with Google. Don't use any user ID or any password here. 1 second.
Do we
Please.
need to pay anything extra for SQL?
No, it is a complimentary training. SQL is a complimentary training. Don't worry about it. So you're going to get the SQL training like for free of cost. Okay, so you use always sign in with Google here. So click on sign up with Google. It will ask you like which account whatever the registered Gmail ID is there, you can go with that. This is my registered Gmail ID. So I'm just giving a click on this. Yeah, I'll clear all the chats. Okay, just stay connected. Just stay connected. As I am the admin, I have many courses here. Okay, as I am the admin, I have many courses here. You need to go to students here, enrolled courses page. Here you can see your enrolled courses. Okay, so here you can see AWS data engineering, cyber security, all our courses. Okay, I'll just show you the Snowflake one. Okay, so this is our Snowflake, one of the batch completed, 13 batches already completed. We just click on this. Just click on this. You can see you can just click on this. So you can see here start learning and complete course. Just click on start learning here. Just click on start learning here. In the left side, you can see here session 1 to 10, 11 to 20. Okay, so all the sessions will be uploaded like this, 31 to 40. Okay, so you can just click on 1 to 10 here and you can see this each and every session name as well. Okay, so this is how we are going to provide you the recordings as well. If you want to see the material, just click on the session. Just click on the session. Okay, you can see right side, you can see the session. If you just scroll down, from here, you can see material, session 2 material download. If you just click on download button here, it will take you to the material page. Okay, this is the material used in session number 2. You are going to get the PPT as well, and you are going to get the whatever the document we used there, whatever the data we used in that particular session, each and everything you'll get it. Okay, this is how the material and the video will be provided to you. You can access these things for lifetime. Don't worry about that. Okay, you can access all these things for lifetime. Don't worry about that.
Hi.
See, Varun Tej, right? Yeah, please go ahead, Amika. Yeah.
Okay. So do you also provide one-to-one training sessions?
No, please. See, as the trainer is currently working right now, she's delivering 2 classes for me. Okay. So she's delivering like in the morning batch also 8 to 9:30 she's delivering for me, and evening 6:30 to 8 also she's delivering for me. So she cannot spend more than this time for me. That is the reason why we are going with only batch trainings. Don't worry about it. In batch trainings also, like we are going to clear each and every question. Okay. She's known for that.
Yeah.
If you can go through some reviews, you'll understand. She'll clear each and every question from the student. Don't worry about that.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. So how many calls we can receive roughly like per week? See, it completely depends on the student, okay? Because few people will continuously work on their profile, okay? They'll completely they'll be uploading on their resume daily basis. They'll be keep on applying, okay? I'll tell you 2 scenarios, okay? So there is a student from batch number 7, I think, okay? So I don't want to tell his name. So there is a student, okay? So he's trying hard for the jobs, but he's not getting even 2 to 3 calls in a week. Okay, what he did is he just uploaded the resume. Right after the course, and he just waiting for the opportunities. What he will be thinking? So the HR will search for my profile, and they will give a call back to me. Yes, he is getting a calls like that also, but only 2 to 3 calls in a week. That's it, not more than that. But what exactly you need to do? You need to apply the jobs on daily basis. You need to go to the portal and you need to apply for the jobs consistently. Then only your resume will be selected very shortly, and not only on one portal, okay, not only on Naukri, not only on LinkedIn. You need to apply everywhere, whatever the job portals, like for me, I know like Naukri, Monster, LinkedIn, Indeed, Glassdoor, and right now if you just search in the a chat GPT, you can get many trending platforms as well. Okay, so if you just search for the opportunities, if you see that it is working for you, okay, I just wanna apply for only 1 second. I just want to go for top companies. Accenture is posted like almost 58 job roles on this. Okay. So I want to go for the lead role. So you need to just go to this opportunity and you need to apply for it. So daily you need to sit at least for an half an hour and you need to apply like this on all the platforms. Okay. You just spend half an hour either early in the morning or late in the evening. Whenever you get free time, Okay. So when you are traveling, just like use your phone and check for the opportunities. If it is suitable for you, just apply for it. Whenever you do this consistent work, then only you can expect some good number of calls. Even there is a candidate who got 8 to 10 calls in a day also, in a single day. Whenever you upload your resume, right after that, like within 2 to 3 days as well. So single day she got like 8 to 10 calls as well. Okay. So that is completely about like how you are showing your profile. That's it. Sure, no issues. Shiva Prasad, just like drop me your WhatsApp number here. I'll connect with you personally after completion of this session, and I'll help you like how to get the previous batch recordings as well. See, if someone is having some kind of timings issue, they don't want to like join for the live batch. Okay, so there are previous batch recordings here also available. Okay, if you just go back here and if you see in my enrolled course, okay, I can give you the go to students enroll courses. I can give you the previous batch recording as well. Okay, so where you can access all recordings at once. You just scroll down. Okay, I'll just like show you the 12th batch one. Okay, so how many hours we have, everything we can see here. Just click on start learning. Just click on start learning. Sorry for that. Okay, so this is how like you can see session 1 to 10. You can see each session 1 hour 30 minutes on an average of like 1 hour 20 minutes you'll get it. Okay, each and every session. You can get like see these we have 42 classes are there. Okay, 42 sessions are there in this batch. I can give you these batch recordings to you. So where you can like complete within 20 days as well. If you don't have time, you can completely within 20 days also. Can you show the feedback like where the previous batch mentioned instructor is capable to teach? We have got job on Snowflake like that. Yeah, I have shown you initially, right? See, recently there is a student from I think 9th or 10th batch. Let me show you. Four weeks ago she posted Sindhu. I got job on Snowflake. I have overall 4 years of experience. I mentioned Snowflake experience 3 years. Current CTC is 4 LPA. I got 10 LPA. Okay, this is one of the example. Okay, and you see, if you can see my reviews here, okay, so for every 2 to 3 reviews, you'll get one Snowflake review. Okay, see, if you can see here, the courses I have, almost like 17 plus courses I have here. Okay, if you just go to my home page, and if you can see here, how many courses we have, among all these things, why we are getting Snowflake, these many people, why we are getting Snowflake, these many reviews is, right now there is a good opportunities right now in the market. See, these are the courses that you are running right now. All are live batches. I think only 1 to 2 batches are recordings. That's it. Okay. So remaining all batches are running right now. Okay. If you just go to the reviews here, for every 2 to 3 reviews, you can see here. Okay. This is 138% hike. This is for Informatica. Okay. You can see again this Snowflake. 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 Okay, you can see everything here. Snowflake. Sai Sri. This is also Snowflake. This is also Snowflake. Sai Sri. Okay, So these are the recently reviews. Okay, this is not like 8 months ago or 9 months ago batches. These are just 3 months, 2 months, and last month as well. Okay, so this is how you can see I got Snowflake job. Okay, see, this is from batch 9. Okay, see, he's having like many people like what they think is if I'm having like more than 15 plus years experience or like 10 plus years experience, it might be a bit difficult to get job on the new technologies, right? But see this guy, Krishna Reddy Garu. So he got, he is from batch 9. Okay, and he's having total experience of 15 years. Okay, I think he's shown like around 4 to 5 years experience on relevant experience on Snowflake. Okay, so he already at like a high package itself. 30 LPA is the current LPA, but he got job on 37. Okay, so he got like 30% hike. I mean, 20 to 25% hike he got. He's happy with that. He invested like 10-15,000 rupees for this course. Okay, even right now you have a huge discounts are also available. At that time, like we are not providing any discounts. He paid just 15,000 rupees. He just like spent his time. The time is more valuable. So he spent his 2 months of time hardly and he got job. Okay, this is how it is. Okay, if you can spend your time, if you can just give your best here, you need to give it consistent, man. Not like I can join the class today, tomorrow, and I'll watch the recording again. Okay, so if you miss any class, then go for the recording. If you have time to join the live session, please join daily. Please join. Okay, don't miss any class. Just for 2 months. In these 2 months, you will get festivals. You will get like many events. You will get many functions. Many things will be there. But if you can give your 2 months consistent efforts here, then you can change your life. Yes, Sriramgar, you can just connect with me personally. I can help you with the recorded course price as well. There will be slight change in the recorded course price. Okay, so there is nothing much difference, but there is slight change in the course price for recorded sessions. Okay, so you just like contact me here on this number. I'll help you with the recorded sessions price and everything. Okay, don't worry about that. Still any questions from anyone? Vaishnavi Kota, do you have any questions, please? No? Okay. So still any questions from anyone? Okay, thanks for the confirmation. Yeah, Sivaram, you can check your chat. And any questions from anyone? So no, right? So you're asking for job, this is job applications one, right? So it is not yet integrated to the website. I have a separate link for this. Okay, right now I'm just like showing you the developing page. It will take some time because this week like the completely developer and other staff, so they're having the festival time, right? So I cannot force them to work on the festival day as well. So that is the reason why it is taking a bit more time. Okay, don't worry about it. See, you're going to apply like after completion of your batch, right? So at least like at the end of your batch. So to complete your batch, it will take 2 months. But like within 10 max, within 10 days itself, we are going to post and we'll be updating in your groups as well, WhatsApp groups as well. Okay. So you'll get the complete updates in the WhatsApp group also. If someone haven't posted your name and WhatsApp number yet in the chat, you can keep posting now so that I'll add you all you people in a single group. Okay. So that like you can get the complete updates from there. Got it? Yes, this course is purely non-coding. There is no coding involved here. Don't worry about that.
Can we stop the class or
Sorry, come again.
can we disconnect the call or will you continue again?
Yeah, see, the thing is right now, like I'm done with all the explanations. If you have any questions, let me know. Okay, I'll help you with the questions and we'll wind up the meeting.
Okay, no. Can I disconnect?
So can I get, sorry?
Can I disconnect now?
Yeah, you can, yes. So can I get a clear word from your end? So if you are clear with the complete info, like what we have given till now, can I get a clear in the Zoom chat? Just type clear and send me in the Zoom chat. so that like I can get confirmation like you got the clear information and everything from our end. Yeah, thank you, Nasima Garu. Thank you, Kavita. Thank you, Ambika Garu. Yes, thank you so much for everyone. So I wish you happy Dasara for everyone. So before that, I just like want to tell you here, today's session recording will be uploaded here in this YouTube channel. Okay, so just subscribe to our YouTube channel. Just go to YouTube channel and you can search for Raj Informatica or Raj Cloud Technologies. Okay, you'll get this channel. You'll get this channel. Channel name is Raj Informatica Real-Time Hands-on Job-Based Training. You'll get the complete info here. Okay, so by tomorrow morning before 10:30, the video will be uploaded to the channel. Okay, you can just like visit the channel and you can watch the recording as well. Even I'll share you over WhatsApp also. As you people have submitted your names and WhatsApp numbers over chat, I'll just share you the link over WhatsApp also. Don't worry about that. Okay. Yes. So thank you all. Thank you all for joining session today. Have a great day. Thank you.
Thanks, Kiran. Have a great night. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank
Yeah, bye.
you.
Yes, yes.